So you might know that scientists have been aware that carbon dioxide absorbs heat and could cause global warming for a while. But you might not have known just how long scientists have been aware of this. It was first discovered in 1856 by an American woman scientist named Eunice Foote. I say first discovered because she didn't receive credit for her discovery. So 3 years later, a man came to the same conclusion, and he was remembered as discovering this. We didn't know about who she was until 2011, so 150 years later, after she makes this amazing discovery. And she's like a really cool person. She attended Seneca Falls. Her name is literally on the Declaration of Sentiments. So the fact that we had no idea who she was for that long is truly appalling. But anyway, she wanted to know the effect of the sun's rays on different atmospheric conditions, high pressure, low density, stuff like that. And she also tested it on different gases. She realized that carbon dioxide absorbed heat better than every other gas and the other atmospheric conditions that she tested. She concluded in her article published in the American Journal of Science and Art. Yes, she published this article. She concluded in her article, an atmosphere of that gas, referring to carbon dioxide, would give to our Earth a high temperature. So here she effectively predicts climate change. But despite all this, she was ultimately forgotten. But the story is sort of crazier than that because her paper was presented at the American Association for the Advancement of Science and published abroad. So how did we manage to forget her? I'm gonna go out on a limb and say probably because she was a woman. Anyway, if you want to know more about Eunice Foote, her story, and what it means for the history of physics that we've managed to forget such an important figure, listen to the first episode of Initial Conditions, a Physics History podcast, coming out July 21st. Initial Conditions is about the unconventional history of physics, the names who don't make it into your physics textbooks, and the reasons why. So be sure to check us out wherever you get your podcasts.